Finland seizes $46 million worth of artwork headed to Russia. Ooh, the Finland-Russia story continues. I never thought this would be such a theme and such a trend, but it's just, I know we have some people watching from Finland, so shout out Finland. I got you covered. Anything happens in Finland, I'm on top of it. You understand, Will?
Finland news?
I'm Mr. Finland.
Okay.
I hope that offends nobody. I'm definitely not Mr. Finland, but I feel like I might be able to have a time if I was to go to Finland. I would behave. I'm sure I could become Mr. Finland.
Settle down. How does this work? 46 million worth of artwork headed to Russia?
I guess it was being shipped through some type of port in Finland. It probably got there first. Here's the thing. Russia's a really big country, but a lot of the population is on the west side of it. Mm-hmm. And so you can imagine if you were shipping something by boat, and you can bring up the geography, you know I'm loving the geography. Mm-hmm. But if you were shipping something by boat, you might, and you're coming from Europe, you want to go up over the top, but you got to get to Moscow. And if you see what I'm talking about, look where Finland is positioned over here. Look at Finland right there. I don't know what you want to do. Well, maybe you don't want to come from the top. You're probably just coming through Denmark there, actually. Like, let's say you're shipping something by boat from Germany, we're just saying right now, to Moscow. Like, you might go up to Finland, or maybe you're not going to Moscow. Maybe you're going to St. Petersburg, which is even closer. Give me a St. Petersburg on this map, Willie do, since we're Carmen Sandiego right now.
Where is it? You want me to type it in?
You can, or you could zoom in. Up to you. It's going to be right just south of Finland there, on the other side of the border. Look at that. Okay. Damn, but the waterway would take you right there. So why you got to go to Helsinki? Why don't you just go all the way? Okay, let's just read the story and find out exactly what happened. But look at the proximity. When you start talking Russia, Finland, you start talking NATO, you start talking threats. Look at the proximity of Helsinki and St. Petersburg. That's close, man. Let's do a quick directions on how long it's going to take us to go from Helsinki to St. Petersburg. Just hit the directions button, bottom left, and give me a Helsinki at the top. And we're going to get to the bottom of this right now. We need to know proximity. We need to let everybody know because it's very intimate. It's a 4-hour drive, 4.5 hours. I don't know. Maybe there's traffic right now, but whatever. 4.5 hours. There's the, wait a sec. 4.5 hours is train. It's just over 5 hours by car right now, avoiding tolls. Mm-hmm. But anyway, yes, close proximity. Now let's go find out how they seized the, now that we've done our geography lesson for the day, Carmen Sandiego,
let's get back.
Let's figure out how they seized it. Finland seized tens of millions of dollars worth of artwork on its way to Russia due to the European Union sanctions imposed on the country. Finnish customs announced Wednesday the agency took hold of the artwork between April 1st and April 2nd, April Fools. The paintings and sculptures were in 3 shipments that came from Italy and Japan, passing through Finland on its way to Russia. Sanctions. That would be why it would go to Finland first, because they're like, we know you're... Sir, we realize you have an order here, but I don't know if you noticed, but like we can't ship directly to Russia anymore.
Finland's like, I'll take that.
No, not Finland, because they seized it, but the shipper was like, okay, I got you sorted. Let me tell you how I'm going to do this. I'm going to go to Finland first. I'm going to go down there to the customs. I'm going to make sure this gets through. We're going to hop over in Finland. Then I'll bring it on ground or via train or via car from Finland to Russia to make sure it gets in there. Because we got millions of dollars worth of artwork here. Mm-hmm. It's coming from Italy. It's coming from Japan. It's coming from...
a couple of Banksies?
All types of places.
Yeah.
The EU sanctions on Russia include a ban of the transportation of the works of art, allowing Finland to seize the property. It's important that the enforcement of sanctions works effectively. The enforcement of sanctions is part of our normal operations, and we always direct our controls based on risks. Shipments that have now come under criminal investigation were detected as part of our customary enforcement work. 46 millis worth of artwork. The artwork came from the Hermitage Museum and Tsarskoye Selo State Museum in St. Petersburg, along with the State Tretyakov Gallery in Moscow. Wow. So I guess I don't know. They're going. The cake came from. Oh, it was on its way out. What's going on here? Oh, they're on its way back. It was loaned to Italy. The artwork was on its way back. It's a weird world, the artwork world, isn't it? Because
a lot of insurance moving things around.
$46 million, you just loan it out, and then a war breaks out and you can't get it back. You just one museum to the other. You're like, oh yeah, you can have. Sure, you can have an exhibit in Italy and show this stuff off, or Japan or whatever. And then invasion takes place or in Ukraine, and
yoink.
I don't know. What do they do? What do they do? They hold it for a little bit. I guess it's got to get back there at some point.
It has to.
I don't know. I don't know, man.